How to turn off shutter sound on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can turn off shutter sound on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off shutter sound on Snapchat, all you have to do is you can just go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now whenever you basically actually record something, it is not going to give any sort of shutter sound, but let's say you're taking a quick snap like this and then it basically comes up with a shutter sound. And the problem here is, how do you disable that? Well, Snapchat app by default does not give you any sort of options to disable the shutter sound, but you can do this by using a feature on both your iOS and Android. As for iOS users, you can just turn on silent mode by actually switching on that ring, but for Android users, what you can do is, here you can see the sound icon. You can just go ahead and then basically set this to mute. Now if this doesn't work, just try to press the volume buttons. Just because the media ones are on the mute doesn't necessarily mean the other ones are also on mute. You can just press the volume lower buttons over here, and then actually now you can go ahead and try to take a snap. When you now take a snap, it will not come up with any shutter sound. The phone here and the trick here is to simply go ahead and mute all the sounds on your device. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.